Hi fam, welcome to Shreya's BFF Beauty Fashion Films. I aspire to bring everything related to lifestyle to you all. So today we are going to completely change the game and do a total no makeup dewy glam inspired by one and only ALIA BHATT. This look is all about the base. So if you want to know how to get this, please keep on watching. But before that, please take a moment to share and subscribe to be a part of the family. First, I'm taking the Pixie Rose Glow Mist for skin prep and spraying it luxuriously all over my face and giving some time for it to seep in. Then for skin prep, I'm taking the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer and warming it in my hands and then pressing it all over my face. That's how you apply a primer, giving some time again for everything to settle in. First step, I'm taking the Nykaa Contour and Correct palette and taking a dark shade, literally the contour shade, emulsifying it on a palette and applying it in a dabbing motion on my dark circles and all the other pigmented areas I have. Then the next step, I'm taking a lighter shade of K-Beauty Concealer and applying it on the high points of my face. All the details will be listed in the description box below. I'm blending this with a damp beauty blender again in a dab motion. If you have a darker shade and a lighter shade concealer in your vanity, you are sorted. Now is the best trick for a perfect base. I am taking the PAC Makeup Fixer and spraying it all over my face. Now taking the K-Beauty Creme Blush in Cozy Coral on a palette, I am applying it on the cheeks, nose and chin for a slight flush of that coral color. For eyebrows, I am first filling in my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil, then taking the clear gel, I am setting it in. Eyebrows are very important in a minimal makeup look and eyebrows of ALIA are bushy over here, but there's no tinted gel used. I'm setting the base with Mars Compact and then I'm again spraying the packed fixer and waiting for some time for everything to settle in. Taking the Morphe blush palette, I'm taking the coral color from it and swiping it on the lids in a windshield wiper motion, blending it properly. There's nothing much happening in the eyes, also depositing the color in the lower lash line. Then taking the highlighter from the same palette, I'm applying it on the lids. And there, that's all for eye makeup. For mascara, I'm first curling the eyelashes and then taking the Mars Fabulous Mascara, I'm doing the lashes. Taking a bronzing shade from the palette, I'm bronzing my face. This is an optional step, but ALIA's face is well bronzed. A glowy kind of a bronzed look. I'm setting the bronzer with a damp sponge. Finally, I'm setting the face again with a PAC Makeup Fixer and waiting for everything to settle in. Taking the Max Factor Lipfinity liquid lipstick, I'm finally filling in my lips and we are done. And that's all. That's your minimal makeup winter glam. Honestly guys, I'm totally digging in this base. I think I'm going to use it more often right now. No lashes, no foundation, no lenses. You can even wear this as a wedding guest, can't you? So you sometimes only need you, not too many products. Not that I don't mind having too many products. Subscribe and like for more. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for amazing reels every alternate day and enjoy the fun. Love, Doodles, Shreya.